Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are on mobile data or a limited plan, lowering your data usage can help you stream longer without hitting your limits, okay? So open Prime Video settings like Launch Prime Video, make sure you are signed in, go to icon or profile icon, tap settings, okay? Or accountant settings. Data settings are found here, so go to streaming and download settings. Okay, so you have to find it here. We have order, player, permission, subtitles, okay, devices, language, okay, watch history, hidden videos, communication. So it's you have to find it here. Okay, so it controls data usage. So adjust streaming quality, like choose a lower settings. Okay, so choose a lower settings like good. We have lowest data usage, better, balanced, and best, highest quality data. Okay, so like good uses the least data. Okay, so adjust the download quality, like select lower download quality, saves storage and data. Okay, enable data saver if available, so turn on data saver mode, like limits data usage automatically. So what happens after changing, like less data is consumed while streaming. Okay, video quality may be reduced, longer streaming time on limited plans, and there are some common issues that happen. For example, quality is still high, but quality is still high, you have to check if auto quality is enabled. If settings not applying, you have to restart app or reconnect. If high data usage continues, lower quality further or switch to Wi-Fi. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.